Hello and welcome to this video all about the delicious and nutritious Japanese food natto. Natto is a traditional fermented soybean dish that has been enjoyed in Japan for centuries. With its unique flavor, sticky texture, and impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder that natto is a beloved food among the Japanese people. So, if you're curious about this food and want to learn more, then keep watching. Let's dive into the world of natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese food that has been enjoyed for centuries. This fermented soybean dish is renowned for its unique flavor, sticky texture, and impressive nutritional profile. Despite its popularity in Japan, however, natto is a relatively unknown food in many other parts of the world. In this article, we will explore the history, production, and health benefits of natto, as well as provide some tips for those who are interested in trying it for the first time. Natto is made from whole soybeans that have been fermented using the bacterium Bacillus subtilis. This process results in the formation of a sticky, stringy texture, as well as the production of a distinctive, pungent odor. The taste of natto is often described as nutty and slightly sour, and it is often served with rice as a breakfast food in Japan. The origins of natto are uncertain, but it is believed to have been first produced in Japan over 1,000 years ago. At the time, it was likely made as a way of preserving soybeans for later use, as the fermentation process would have helped to prevent spoilage. Over the centuries, natto has become an integral part of Japanese cuisine, and it is now enjoyed by people of all ages. One of the key benefits of natto is its nutritional profile. As a fermented food, natto is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help to improve gut health. Natto is also an excellent source of protein, providing roughly 10 to 15 grams of protein per 100 grams of natto. Additionally, natto is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K2, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones, blood vessels, and other tissues. In terms of health benefits, there is evidence to suggest that consuming natto can have a positive impact on several different aspects of health. For example, some studies have found that consuming natto may help to improve cardiovascular health by reducing the formation of calcium deposits in the arteries. Additionally, natto may help to improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. While natto is a popular food in Japan, it can be difficult to find in other parts of the world. If you are interested in trying natto, you may be able to find it at a specialty Japanese grocery store or online. Alternatively, you can try making your own natto at home using soybeans, Bacillus subtilis, and a fermenting jar. When it comes to eating natto, it is often served with rice, but it can also be used as a topping for salads, soups, or other dishes. Some people enjoy eating natto on its own, either mixed with soy sauce, mustard, or another condiment, or simply with a sprinkle of salt. If you are trying natto for the first time, it is best to start with a small amount and gradually increase your portion size as you become more familiar with the flavor and texture. In conclusion, natto is a traditional Japanese food that is renowned for its unique flavor, sticky texture, and impressive nutritional profile. Whether you are looking to improve your gut health, boost your protein intake, or simply try something new, natto is definitely worth considering. So, why not give it a try today, and see for yourself what all the fuss is about? And that's a wrap for today's video on natto. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you're interested in learning more about healthy and delicious foods from around the world, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, so don't miss out on any of the fun. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.